We're now tuned in to recording live again on RadioDR.co.za.
I might just pull up now again. I might just boy on the road. I might just pull up. I might just pull up now again. Pull up. I might just pull up now again. Pull up. I might just since I'm a simba again. Pull up. I might just pull up again. Pull up. I might just pull up now again. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Since I'm a simba again. Reporting live now again. It's your boy MJ holding it down. City to city, titty to titty. I have the beautiful, the lovely, the gorgeous. Kwandi, aka Ngakini, today holding it down, city to city, titty to titty. Ladies, your queen is here. She about to shit on you. Kusazan, I met you a year ago because of the conjunction thing. Shout out to my nigga Simpi. We need you on the show, nigga. Shout out to my nigga Simpi. During that event, the conjunction experience, got to know you. I was like, oh fuck, this girl is like so beautiful and she's so talented and she's shitting on all you hoes.
Oh wow.
Fast forward.
I wasn't expecting that shit.
Fast forward a year, that was last year, July. Fast forward a year and some change.
Dude.
You on Moja Love, on the channel and shit, on acting and shit. Hey, the Lobola price just went up on you niggas. The Lobola price just went up on these niggas. Reporting live again at the SMP mansion. What's the sign?
Hello.
Bruh, do these niggas have any idea?
No, I don't. What idea? What are you talking about, dude?
What's you shitting on these hoes?
No, I'm actually trying to shit on them, but I got toilet paper and I've got sanitizer. I've got a mask. I'm ready.
The shit out of my shit. It's your boy Jesus sanitizer.
Yeah.
And so for those who don't know, let the people know where you're from. Let the people know when the acting thing started, and let the people know what's going on with this like series that you're a part of, shitting on these hoes on TV and shit. What the fuck?
Okay, so I'm from Imlazi,
Ngakini.
Born and fucking raised there. I'm actually studying drama. I actually studied journalism first in 2017, 2018.
Yeah.
Hated the crap out of that. So I dropped out without my parents knowing, and I secretly applied for drama, and then I got taken. Everyone in Kaya was expecting me to fail.
Oh.
Because I'm doing my second year now. Honestly speaking, they were against the whole drama thing. They were just like, and the journalism is of figures and corner, but at least and then just some which is crap because it was flippin' boring. Because imagine sitting in a class full of passionate people and you there with earphones and shades on. That was my life. It was horrible.
But were the shades on because Lampo Mans, or were they like
yeah, sometimes, but most of the time it's just like Stevie Wonder, the whole vibe, because I was not there mentally. Yeah, but now I'm doing my second year. I got drama.
Shout out to DUT.
And I'm an actress on Erased, Moja Love, one of the main actors. I act like a freaking moron. She is fucking dumb. My character is dumb. She is, she's irritating. She's nothing like me, but yeah, I liked playing that character.
Like, let us know how you got that role. Like, who was the connect? Like, what happened? Like, how did you get that
school,
shit?
Since at school we're theater based school. So what happened was, it was actually during lockdown. So they were just distributing like izinto zema audition. They would say, okay, who can sing, dance, and act, and everyone automatically said, oh, Tamia can. And immediately after, I got a phone call from the director of Erased, and he called me and he was just like, oh, do you want to audition? I was like, oh, I don't have a problem. In my head, I was already told, there's like half the country already auditioned for that role. So in my head, I was like, let me just do this for fun because I probably won't get another opportunity to audition. And then I did, and about 2-3 weeks later, I got a phone call from the producer telling me that, oh, you got the role. So I'm going to be expecting you to come to Johannesburg to shoot the show.
Got the check.
I remember myself getting drunk every day after that.
So would I.
I got drunk every day after that. But, dude, when I got to Johannesburg, it was like work. I won't lie to you, I had no time for other stuff. I was just focused on what I had to do because I didn't want to disappoint. It's my first time.
So you want to
I just needed to make sure Guti, I make a good impression on the people that are going to make sure Guti, I get other jobs because director so I needed to make sure I leave like an impact on those people. And you know, I'm voice shy because I was forced to actually sing and dance, and I'm comfortable with dancing because I'm a choreographer as well. So I was comfortable with acting and dancing, but then when they had to, like, they were just like, okay, your character sings a lot. I was like, crap, I'm not ready for people to hear me sing. And when I did, it was pretty cool because I actually got the opportunity to write my own songs for the show and sing them on the show, but I didn't write them as Samia. I wrote them as my character name was Ibuil. So they're a bit different to what I'd normally sing or write, but it was good for me because now I'm writing more songs than I normally do. I dance more comfortably. I actually enjoy. I realize that I actually enjoy doing everything, being a performer, being within everything in the media industry. So when I started that within the show, I told myself that I don't want to stop. So
press that Beyonce button on these hoes. Press that Alicia Keys button on this act, sing,
I don't think you're ready for
dance,
this
all
challenge.
face.
I don't think you're ready for this. Okay, I don't gotta be.
You shitting on these hoes, Nkosazana. You shitting on them fully and thoroughly properly. Lightly.
Ngisaphuza umuthi nje qala ngisazobanyela
But like, how has the response been? Like, can you still walk through the mall?
No.
Can you still walk through it? Can you still like what? How has the response been ever since you started that series?
Okay, so I'm not really a public person. I don't normally post on Instagram. I'm not really a social media type of girl. I keep to myself most of the time. So ever since the show, I still think of myself as myself. I'll walk around in my sweatpants, in my vest, in my shorts, and anything that I'd like to wear that I feel comfortable in. And then you're gonna bump into someone. So losing more. Be like, how am I? And then I would literally have to stand aside. Like after every 15 minutes, we bump into someone, or we're sitting at a restaurant, we're eating, and be like, it's so I can't even have fun without having people wanting to take a picture with me. It's nice. I won't lie. It's a nice thing.
But nice life problems. Ngakini.
It's like, can I please drink in peace? Can I please enjoy my time with my family?
Peace, man. Just all imagine. Please, hey.
Even at Mushanawami's birthday in Pietermaritzburg, they were just like,
shut it down.
I might not know where I know you from, but I know your face is on TV. I was like, wow. Even my neighbors are my name is not my name anymore. It's weird because why am I changing my name now? You know? But it's really cool. I won't lie. I'm having a blast. I just want to finish school so I can do more. But I'm really, really opening up to the music thing.
But like, how far are you willing to monetize from this shit though? Like, how far are you willing to get guap from it? Because we were talking about like you having your own clothing company in Yana.
You said that, not me. You said that, not me.
Financial advisor, creative director, brand manager, Ngakini. Bro, you should like monetize off of this shit fully and completely.
Yeah, the thing is, I feel as if I've got like a lot of talents, so I can use that as well to get a lot of guap. So I'm glad I'm not a mom.
Even like modeling, you're tall enough for it.
Yeah, but I'm fat as fuck for that shit.
So, but like there's like, come on, bro. Shout out to all my plus size mommies. I love y'all. There's different kinds of modeling, bro.
Yeah, I understand.
There's like facial modeling, like for like cosmetics, none.
I eat like a pig. I eat like a pig.
What?
I eat like I can't be modeling.
Why don't you get like a talent agent?
I do have an agent. I got an agent now because of acting, but I got an agent that helps me with other stuff. But right now, I just want to make sure that I finish my
contracts with these motherfuckers?
No, it's school. I want to finish my thing at school.
When's season 2 dropping?
Yeah, that's gonna be confirmed actually at the beginning of the year.
Woo,
So
we gonna get that guap again.
We're not sure, hey, but we're waiting for that phone call. Moja Love, call us, please.
Woo!
Moja
So we can start 2021 the right way.
Love, because we need to know when we're working.
Hey, whoa.
Okay. Thank you,
Hey,
love.
so-
Thank you.
How was it like working on set with these people, bruh?
It was amazing. Oh my gosh, it was so cool. Especially because I was one of the rookies. Not one of them, I think I was the only rookie there.
Yes.
I was the only rookie. I was working with Utina Jaka, Zetsu Shlomo, Mbali, Mbebe, and it's just like, yo, guys, it was a lot of greatness. I was surrounded by so much greatness. Yo, it was amazing.
Did you feel the pressure?
I did on the first day, but I after a couple of hours on that first day, I realized that I'm not there for them. I'm here for me.
Yes.
And then I started doing my own thing. Because they were convinced that I was an 18-year-old girl when I arrived on set.
2000.
They literally believed no, they just got me straight out of high school. And I got lucky enough to get the job, and I was like, no, I'm actually 22 and I'm studying drama. Yeah.
The lobola price just went up on these niggas. Oh ma,
Don't put a ring on it, it ain't gonna
Ferrari. Hey boy, simlazi. You know niggas, bro. I'm gonna never buy again.
But it's my decision if I want to take that lobola or not. I'm not gonna get married.
All of feel like how am I gonna buy your phone? I'm shining this phone. Keep it gaming, you said the sing garden, keep it gaming. That's all niggas feel like.
Gaming. Enjoy game, I keep sure gaming.
If I die, but like, let the people know what agency you're using, or what's the name of the company?
Viva les artistes.
Viva les artistes. What's the Instagram handle, bro? Because like, do they specifically handle accents or like no mayin?
If you're talented and you believe that you're talented enough to actually make it in the industry, they'll make sure that you showcase whatever you got. You know, because the founder of the thing is actually my friend and my lecturer from DUT. And to be honest with you, I was a little scared of the lecturer. I still am scared of him actually. Hi Caesar. I'm still scared of him.
Hey nigga.
Like he's the one that actually allowed me to. There was a Zulu production at school called Romeo and Juliet, and
I think I saw you posting that.
yeah, Ulomeo no Juliet was translated into Zulu, and I'm not really a Zulu person, but they gave me the role of Umaga Juliet.
Mawaki. So you had to put like makeup to be old and stuff?
No, there was no old makeup at all. It was what was important because it was a stage play. It was what I said and how I portrayed myself, because they had to differentiate between me and the character. And I won't lie, it was hell. An entire month trying to transition from
I feel like
girl to
I feel like plays are worse than movies, are worse than TV.
Yeah, TV is
recorded,
no, it's not even recorded. You can simply say cut and start again, and they give you the script or prompt you while you're in the scene. When you're on stage, you need to make sure you know all 200 pages of the script. You need to make sure that you know every line. If you personalize the line, you have to personalize it according to the script. So there's a lot of pressure on stage more than screen. I trust me, because what I had to learn for that stage play is nothing compared to the stage play was hell. It was Gazaga. I think I lost like 10 kgs. I went from being a size 34 to a size 28 within 2 months. No sleep. You are stressing out because everyone it was a class production, so everyone's like laughing at me. Angwazi ukhuluma isiZulu bayangazi ukuthi nje this Lani, why was she given the
which do you prefer? Okay, which do you prefer though, the play or TV?
I like challenges, both.
Yes.
But I was more comfortable on screen. But I don't want to lie, stage plays are fun because it's like freedom of expression. You're allowed
performing
to do,
every night.
Yeah,
you see the reaction of the crowd. Man, it's okay, they're fucking with this, or okay, they're not feeling this.
Now, Kona Futi, you shouldn't just feed off the crowd. You should understand and be in the moment within what you're doing. If the crowd, you the one, if you're on stage and you believe in what you're doing, you're making the crowd believe in what you're doing. So you feed off each other. So you feed off each other's energy. So if they're communicating with what you're doing, it gives you life. You don't have to exaggerate what you're doing, but it pushes you to, execute it the way it's supposed to be, the way you feel like it's supposed to be, because no one can tell you that you're doing the wrong thing, because since you developed the character throughout the process, so you know what you have to do. So Muflopa, you're the only one that's going to know who to flop it. Other people won't. So that's the pressure that you have on stage. Stage is hard.
Shit. Do you think I could be a good actor?
No.
Denzel, nigga, John Wick.
I've got a feeling
Brad
that
Pitt,
while you're
Tom
acting,
Cruise.
you know what you do while you're acting? You be like, in the scene and be like, Ngakini.
You know I will.
I've got a feeling that you do something like that during the scene.
You know I will. Ngakini. We get my Denzel on first. My man, Leonardo DiCaprio, nigga. Michael B. Jordan. Listen for some Denzel, my man. But because I know, like, please repeat the name of your agents, whether like if people want to hire you for something, they can contact you, and then give the people your contact details, your social media handles like Facebook and Instagram.
Okay, so my agency is called Viva Les Artistes.
How do you contact them?
It's on Instagram. You can DM them on Instagram.
Viva Les Artistes,
Yes.
one word.
Viva Les Artistes.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can contact them on Instagram, Facebook, and you can email them as well. My social media platforms, it's Mathonsi on Facebook, Kwandi Mathonsi on Instagram, and do I have Twitter? Yeah, I do. And Twitter.
Follow me on Twitter.
Kwandi Mathonsi on Twitter as well. Yeah.
Okay, so.
Yeah, like, if you want to contact me personally, use email.
Our business will keep it a middle.
Mathonsi@gmail.com.
Reporting live again, so poem holding it down, city. Shout out to walk on the shade. This short and get raised live. If you're watching this right now, post some riz.
Wow.
Preferably I'm a back or I'm a plant raps. So poem holding it down, city. Shout out to Deeply Rooted. Shout out to the CEO, shout out to the whole team, shout out to SMP reporting live again, shout out to your girl Tamia, Homa, Sintanda, let's go, oh man, Ngakini.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live again on RadioDR.co.za.